Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix mic not working on Rust. So the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that we have enabled our mic for our Windows. So you can just search for sound settings on your Windows computer right here. And simply once inside, you then want to navigate through the sound control panel. You will then be taken to this page on which you then have to select recording. Now the recording section is basically the microphone category right here. So inside this page, you will be able to see all of your microphones for your Windows. So you can just scroll down and you want to look for the microphone that you typically use. In my case, I use the microphone right here, which is going to be from VoiceMod and also Voicemeter, but my main microphone is going to be the USB condenser microphone. So the first thing that we must do is to simply go ahead and navigate through this page, and we have to make sure that our microphone is enabled. So in here, you can just scroll down and you want to make sure that all of this microphone is set to ready. From there, you then want to click on the set default. So in my case, I'm going to be using this from now on. And from there, you then want to click on OK. After making sure that your microphone is working, you can also see that right here. So when I speak, this microphone volume will move up. Now in here on the input, you also want to select your microphone. In my case, it's going to be the Voicemeter one. And right after that, we then want to navigate through our Steam. Inside Steam, just click on the Steam icon, click on settings, and from here, you then want to look for the sound settings. So it's going to be inside the voice category right here or section, and basically inside, once again, you then want to select your default microphone. After selecting your microphone, you can just click on the start microphone test and test if your microphone is perfectly working with Steam. After making sure that your microphone is connected with the Steam application right here, you can then launch Rust, and you also want to make sure that you select once again your default microphone, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.